Union Home Minister Amit Shah says the government is committed to ensure that each paramilitary force Jawan spend 100 days with his family. And Niti Aayog launches second edition of Sustainable Development Goals SDG India Index in New Delhi today. A very good afternoon to you all. I'm Colonel Sambanduram presenting you the afternoon news. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of today. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has said the government is committed to ensure that each and every Jawans of the paramilitary forces spend 100 days and a year with his family, laying the foundation stone of the Directorate General building of the Central Reserved Police Force (CRPF) in New Delhi today. The minister said Prime Minister Narendra Modi has assured to take care of the families of the security personnel while they guard the nation. Amit Shah said health cares will be provided to the families of the Jawans and urged the state government to provide such a facility. He lauded the contribution of the CRPF and said it is the most powerful paramilitary force in the world. He also paid tribute to Jawans of CRPF who sacrificed their lives in service to the nation. A combined team of Imphal East Commando and 6th Assam Rifle has arrested one suspected NNC active cadre. The miscreant is identified as 35-year-old Dinesh Golmai, son of Ngathaupao Golmai, from Langold, Laimanai. The team arrested him from near the wooden bridge of Tagel Khongban in Imphal West District at around 3 p.m. on 27th of December. He has been handed over to Lumphel Police Station for further investigation. Coalitions Against Drug and Alcohol Kada District Committee Jiriband along with Merapaibis of Jiriband carried out anti-drug drive at various parts of Jiriband yesterday. Country liquors and red wine were seized during the drive. The seized liquors were set ablaze in front of Irawat statue at Baupara in Jiriband. CPI Langtabal Local Council, in a press release, has demanded unconditional release of the General Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council, Laishram Sotin Kumar, who was arrested by Manipur police for his involvement in the nationwide general strike called by the left parties on 19th of December. Well, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Niti Aayog launching the second edition of the Sustainable Development Goals SDG India Index in New Delhi today. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. Niti Aayog launches the second edition of the Sustainable Development Goals SDG India Index in New Delhi today. The index documents the progress made by India's states and union territories towards implementing the 2030 SDG targets. Niti Aayog also launches the Dashboard 2019-20 today. The SDG India Index and Dashboard track the progress of the state and rank all states and union territories on 100 indicators drawn from the Ministry of Statistics and Programmed Implementation's National Indicator Framework, comprising of 306 indicators. It indicates where the country and its states and union territories currently are on SDG implementation. It also charts the distance to be traveled to reach the SDG goals. The index covers 16 out of 17 SDGs and a qualitative assessment on Goal 17. This marks an improvement over the 2018 SDG Goal Index, which covers only 13 goals. Now the sports news. Bengaluru Football Club and Goa Football Club will lock horns in a match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 on January 3, 2020. In yesterday's league match played at Mumbai Football Arena, Mumbai City Football Club defeated Hyderabad Football Club by 2-1. For Mumbai City Football Club, Madhav Golui netted 2 goals at the 6th and 78th minute, while the lone goal of the losing team was scored by Bobo at the 81st minute of the match. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin. But before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Union Home Minister Amit Shah says the government is committed to ensure that each paramilitary force Jawan spend 100 days with his family. And Niti Aayog launches second edition of Sustainable Development Goals SDG India Index in New Delhi today.